In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create WordArt in Microsoft Word. WordArt is a useful tool that can help you make your documents more visually appealing, and it's perfect for adding a decorative touch to titles, headings, or other important text within your document. To get started, you'll need to open up Microsoft Word. Once your document is ready, take a moment to decide where the decorative text, or WordArt, should appear. This will be the location where you position your WordArt graphic, so place your cursor there to set your starting point. Next, let's navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is where many of Word's creative tools are housed. Proceed by looking for the text group within this tab. Here you'll find the WordArt button, which is typically represented by a stylized slanted capital A. Clicking on this icon will open a gallery of pre-designed styles for you to choose from. These styles can vary widely, offering different colors, effects like shadows or reflections. Browse through the options and click on the one that catches your eye or suits the document style you're going for, whether it's a striking blue fill with a shadow or something more subtle. After making your selection, a text box with a placeholder saying your text here will pop up on your document. Simply click inside this box and type the text you wish to appear in your WordArt, replacing the placeholder with something meaningful for your document. Once you've entered your text, you'll notice that Microsoft Word automatically brings up the Shape Format tab. This is a handy addition because it provides you with an array of easy-to-use tools for customizing your WordArt further. In the WordArt Styles group, you have the flexibility to change the fill color, outline color, or enhance the overall appearance with shadows, reflections, or even 3D effects for an extra pop. Now, positioning is crucial when it comes to design, and sometimes you might need to adjust where your WordArt sits on the page. To do this, click on the border of the WordArt box and hold the left mouse button down, then drag it to the preferred spot on your document. This way, you ensure it complements the surrounding text or graphics nicely. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you've added a creative flair to your document using WordArt. Whether you're enhancing a presentation or adding a special touch to a personal letter, WordArt allows you to transform ordinary text into something both unique and eye-catching. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you with the creative possibilities of Microsoft Word.